To be given a life is a gift. To be given a chance to celebrate the gift of life is a blessing. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Please welcome
the grand entrance of our beautiful and adorable birthday celebrant. Let us all welcome with palakpakan, Daisy Franco!
Kagawad Daisy yan. I got a feeling. Sayo na, sayo. Tonight's gonna be a good night. And tonight's gonna be a good night. And tonight's gonna
May
be
first dance na agad. At syempre, tita, once again, let us all welcome the star for the night. You may sit down na, tita. Happy ka? Pero syempre, before we start the short program, let me call on Ate Yana. Ay, oh, sorry. Wala ba si Ate Yana? Sino kaya?
Si Arlan muna. Arlan Aleja.
Mag-lead lang prayer. Siyempre kailangan natin si Ate Hana muna. Sorry, wala pa si Ate Yana kasi galing school. Opo.
Tita Lucy po.
Ate. Si Ate Ami na lang po.
Sabi mo.
Tita Ami, pwede po ba? Surprise po to.
Gamitin niyo po yung lakas nyo.
On the spot.